Your video doesn't go viral because it's good. It goes viral because people click. And people don't click because of your editing. They click because of your thumbnail. No scroll stop, no views. Now imagine this. You don't have to think about thumbnail text. You don't have to think about the design. You don't even have to think about the idea. You just upload a YouTube link, upload video or paste video transcript, and AI researches your topic, analyzes what top creators are doing, and generate a high CTR thumbnail with your face in minutes. Sounds fake. I thought so too. What's up guys, Saif here and welcome to DigiWhisper. I've tested a lot of thumbnail makers. Most are complicated, some need crazy prompt engineering, some just give random canvas style designs. But this one surprised me because it doesn't just design, it researches your video first. I have put the link in the pinned comment and description. Let me show you exactly how it works, how to make AI thumbnails for YouTube videos with your face. Now let me show you exactly how to do this. First, head over to this website. So this is the home page you will see. And now you need to first check the pricing. So I'm clicking here. So this is their pricing plan. The first plan's name is Starter and you need to spend $17 per month to activate this plan and you will have 100 thumbnails per month. And the next one is Pro plan and you need to spend 35 USD per month and you can generate up to 500 thumbnails per month. And next one is the business plan and you can generate unlimited thumbnails, unlimited avatars and everything in the business plan. But starter plan is limited. You can only use one avatar and the advanced features are not available in starter plan. And if you select the yearly plan, you will get exactly this pricing plan. But if you select monthly plan, it will slightly increase as per their monthly plan. You can try it out. 3 free thumbnails, no credit card required. Just start any of the plan as a trial. And now jump to the next one. Now I'm clicking here in the ThumbMagic homepage. So this is the ThumbMagic's interface where you can create your thumbnail. And my credit is unlimited. So I can start from here or I can start from here. Both are the same thing. You can watch their video how to use ThumbMagic. And now let's create a thumbnail. I'm clicking here, create thumbnail button. And it is giving me 3 options. The first one is YouTube link. If I want to recreate my thumbnail, I can just give the YouTube video link which is available publicly and I can just give the link here to generate the thumbnail. You can also use unlisted video from your channel. And the next one is upload. You can upload your whole video here to generate your thumbnail. And the next one is transcript. You can give your whole video transcript here to make your thumbnail. So let's say I want to make the thumbnail from my YouTube link. Let's say first I want to create a thumbnail for this one. So just copy the link of the video and paste the link here and click process video and it is processing the video. And first I need to create avatar if I want to add my face here in the thumbnail. If I want to go with the default avatar, I don't need to create any avatar. Let's say this is a thumbnail for MrBeast and I want to create an avatar of MrBeast. I'm clicking here and just giving the name as MrBeast. And here is the guideline. What type of photo you need to upload. It should be close up, clean, with proper lighting, frontal face, and the maximum file size should be within 10 MB. In this case, I am just using a photo of MrBeast. I'm uploading it and now click here in the create avatar button and it will create the avatar of MrBeast. So MrBeast avatar is done. And now here is some of the options, some of the templates. You can use any of them. They are adding regular different types of viral style thumbnails. As per your video topic, you can select any of the templates from here. So as this is a contextual like MrBeast style YouTube thumbnail, I can click here in the contextual background. The first thing you can do is you can select any of the template from here, or another thing you have also, you can just replicate any template. Let's say any of your inspirational YouTuber or YouTube's thumbnail, you can replicate. You can just click here to replicate it. I will show you later. But for now, I am selecting contextual background to create MrBeast thumbnail. And I'm clicking here in the generate thumbnail button. It will cost my 1 credit. So I'm clicking here and it is creating the thumbnail with the face of MrBeast for exactly one of the MrBeast video. Let's see what happens. It is just analyzing your whole video topic, text, or content to generate the idea and the thumbnail for you. So this is the thumbnail. It has been created. This is one version and this is another version. See how good, how eye-catchy this thumbnail is. Or you can even modify your thumbnail if you need. Let's say I want to modify this or this one. I can click here to modify the thumbnail, and here are more options to modify your thumbnail. The first one is you can just add anything in the text prompt to modify your thumbnail. The next one is you can add any text, you can change the style, you can change the emotion, you can change the face. Let's say I want to add a tiger instead of a giraffe. So add a tiger. So I can click here and see what happens. It may take 20 seconds. So see how perfectly it has implemented my command. So this way you can change anything from the thumbnail. Now let's say I want to add a text here. So I can click here to add a text. Set them free. I can save it here. I can change the style. I can change the emotion or anything. So once everything is done, you can just click here to download your thumbnail. And see, this is your thumbnail. And now let's try another one. Let's say this time we will make a thumbnail for Ali Abdaal, this video. So just copy the video. So this is the video link, and now go to the ThumbMagic and click here, and now click the create thumbnail button, paste the link, and now click the process video. And now this time we need to create another avatar for Ali Abdaal. So I am uploading an Ali Abdaal photo, and here is the name. Now click here to create the avatar. It's done. Now I need to select any of the template. Let's say I want to make this thumbnail using this style, object in hand. Now click here, generate thumbnails, and it is generating the thumbnail based on Ali Abdaal's video. So see, this is the thumbnail it has generated for one of the Ali Abdaal's video. This thumbnail is so much attractive and eye-catching and very minimal style. So now let's say I want to download this thumbnail. I can just click here to download this thumbnail. So this is your thumbnail. How perfect is the face or everything. So now let's create a thumbnail based on any of my reference thumbnail. How we can create it? So first select your video. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail for this video. First click here and click the share button to copy the video link, and click here in the ThumbMagic and click the create thumbnail button. Give the link of the video and now click the process video button, and it is processing the video, and select the avatar. Here is the avatar of Ali Abdaal. And now let's say I want to create from any of the reference thumbnail. Let's say I want to create the thumbnail like this thumbnail. So just copy the video link, the thumbnail you want to replicate, and here click the replicate template and copy the video link you want to replicate the thumbnail from. And now click here, use this template. And once everything is done, just click here, generate thumbnail, and it is generating thumbnail for me using this thumbnail as a template. So let's see what happens. So this is the thumbnail you wanted to generate. See how eye-catching this thumbnail is. So here is the another version of the same thumbnail. Now you can just download your thumbnail. This way you can replicate any of your inspirational thumbnail. Now let's say how we can make the thumbnail for our short video. Click here. Here is the option to generate thumbnail for Instagram or TikTok. First, the same way you need to place the video link or transcript or the video itself, and then select your avatar, and then select any of the template you want to use to generate like that thumbnail. Let's say I want to use the same video of Ali Abdaal to make a thumbnail for a YouTube Shorts, and I want to use this template. I can click here, text on image, and I'll click here, generate thumbnail, and it will create the thumbnail for YouTube Shorts or Instagram or TikTok version for that video. So see, it has created two versions of the thumbnail. how perfect this thumbnail is. You can either modify the thumbnail or just download clicking here. So this is your thumbnail for your short video. And every time you generate a thumbnail, it will cost your 1 credits from your account. So this is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This way you can use ThumbMagic to make your thumbnail. And in this video, I've shown you how to make AI thumbnail with your face using a very simple software. Its name is ThumbMagic and the result is outstanding. So now you have seen how simple this is. Upload your link, your video or your transcript and it researches everything for you. Then it generates thumbnail ideas, write high-CTR text and build a scroll-stopping design with your face in minutes. If you struggle with thumbnail ideas, waste hours thinking about text, this tool is definitely worth trying. I put the link in the pinned comment and description. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a scroll-stopping AI thumbnails completely for free. No paid tools. So make sure you have subscribed because AI thumbnails are evolving first and the creators who adapt first will win.